Assalamu alaikum students, I am Sana Anjum, your English teacher. I believe you are doing great in your homes. Today we are going to learn about reflexive and emphatic pronouns. So how reflexive and emphatic pronouns are formed? What are these words? We know the pronoun I, you, he, she, it, they. So the words which are going to reflect these pronouns are reflexive or emphatic pronouns. For the subject I, we will be using reflexive or emphatic pronoun myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, you, yourselves, they, themselves. So these are the reflexive pronouns or emphatic pronouns. They both are same things, but the words are same, their functions are different. They perform differently in a sentence. First we will learn about the reflexive pronoun. What are the reflexive pronouns? We use reflexive pronoun when the subject and object are the same things. A reflexive pronoun is an object that reflects back to subject and it comes after the verb. In reflexive pronoun, the most important thing is subject and object should be same thing. They should talk about the same person or the thing. For example, the boy told me to work hard. Here in this sentence, the boy is a subject and me is object. So they are different from each other. They are not same. So me is not a reflexive pronoun. If we say that the boy told himself to work hard. Here subject the boy and himself object. They both are same thing. They both are talking about the same person. That's why himself here is a reflexive pronoun. She scolded herself for being so lazy. Here she and herself are same thing. One is subject and other is object. Next is I saw myself in the mirror. Here I and myself are talking about the same person. Subject and object are same. And you can notice that reflexive pronoun comes after verb. Saw is a verb over here and reflexive pronoun is coming after verb myself. If I'll say that I saw you running in the street, here I and you, they both are different. They are not talking about same thing. So you here is not the reflexive pronoun. For I, reflexive pronoun is myself. Here is an activity for you. Fill in the blanks with correct reflexive pronoun. Tina made herself breakfast. Here Tina is a girl and for girl the reflexive pronoun will be herself. So here are blanks. You are going to fill in these blanks according to the subject. Roderick played dash basketball. I logged dash out of the house. We bought dash new tablets. They poured dash milk. You drove dash home from the party. Our cat washes dash after every meal. Here you are going to use reflexive pronoun according to subject. And remember, subject and object should be the same thing. So moving towards the emphatic pronouns, the words are the same like myself, yourself, herself, himself, but their function is different. So emphatic pronouns are those pronouns which put emphasis on the action. They do not talk about the subject. They talk about the action, that how that action is performed, who performed that action. Okay. For example, I'll do it myself. Here myself is a emphatic pronoun because it is giving stress that I did this work by myself. Nobody helped me in this work. We heard it ourselves. Here ourselves is a emphatic pronoun because it is telling us that nobody told us this news. We heard it by ourselves. They cleaned the room themselves. So these are the emphatic pronouns. In emphatic pronouns, we talk about the emphasis or the stress on the action. But in reflexive pronoun, subject and object should be the same thing. And In reflexive pronoun comes after verb, and in emphatic pronouns usually comes in the end of the sentence. Exercise number 1 is for you. Write emphatic or reflexive pronoun for each: my uncle, the girls, Jane, the postman, the musicians, the dog, grandmother, and the game. So next exercise is about state whether it is an emphatic or a reflexive pronoun. The first is only those who help themselves will succeed. Here themselves is a pronoun, so you are going to identify whether it is reflexive or emphatic. You will check that it is working as an object and relating to subject, or it is giving emphasis on the verb. She had to do the spring cleaning herself. Eric is old enough to make the decisions himself. So you are going to identify these pronouns are whether emphatic or reflexive. Exercise number 3. Use these pronouns in sentences, first as reflexive pronoun, then as emphatic pronoun. Yourself, herself, himself, themselves, and ourselves. You are going to make 2 sentences of each word. Thank you so much, students. I hope you have understood this topic. Do these exercises and mail me on my email ID, that is missanjum07@gmail.com.